Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a pin on Pinterest. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Pinterest on your device and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Here, tap the add icon and tap pin. Now select a picture or video you want to upload and tap next. It is now time to fill in the details. Add a title to your picture and enter the description. Next, link the image to a website. Tap Add and paste the link. Tap Go. Once you confirm the link, tap Add Link. It can be a blog post, your business website, or any site you want. You can also add alt text. Here, describe the picture so that people can use screen readers to hear how the picture looks. When done, tap Next. You can now add this image to your board, so tap the board you want. You can also create a new board. And that's how you add a pin on Pinterest. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.